You. And this afternoon, Governor Roy Cooper will once again be giving an update on the number of coronavirus cases across North Carolina. The state has seen 4 straight days of increases, with the statewide number of cases now surpassing 44,000. That briefing is scheduled to start at 2 o'clock, and of course, we'll bring it to you live right here on Channel 9 and on our WSOC TV app. And that jump in cases, it has the state asking more people to go get tested.
And that's especially important for anyone who's been at protests or other large gatherings. Eyewitness News reporter Gina Esposito is in Hidden Valley this morning, where Atrium Health will open another one of their mobile testing sites. Gina?
Yeah, in just about 2 hours, Blaine, Atrium Health is opening up a brand new mobile testing site here at this church off Tom Hunter Road. It opens at 8 o'clock this morning. You don't need appointments, so we expect people to start showing up pretty early. There's been a need for additional testing, especially here in Mecklenburg County. Now, I want to show you some video. This is video of a long line last week. People are waiting to be tested at the Hindu Center in Southeast Charlotte. These long lines in response to state health officials urging people who've been protesting to get tested. Mecklenburg County Health Director Gibby Harris said the county is meeting their testing goal of 5% of the population. That's about 2,000 people a day. North Carolina continues to see a high volume of new cases. Sunday, the state says 1,443 more people tested positive for the virus. About 14,000 tests were done, making the percentage of tests that came back positive just over 10%. A bit of good news, the number of people hospitalized in the state was down slightly to 798. I want to show you this. This is a website here where you can type in your zip code, your county, and you can check all the testing sites in our area. You can see that map there. It'll show you which ones are walk-ins, which ones you need an appointment for. We posted a link to this website on our free WSOC mobile app. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Gina. And just into our newsroom, the Red Cross is now testing all blood, platelet, and plasma donations for COVID-19 antibodies. The organization hopes by testing for antibodies, you can not only give the gift of life, but you can get some insight into whether you have been exposed to the coronavirus. And this morning, the Red Cross says that the test that it's using is FDA approved, and results will be available within 7 to 10 days. It is important to note, though, that this is not a test to diagnose the COVID-19 virus. And the Red Cross has several blood drives scheduled across our area this week. We put a list on our WSOC TV app.
A Lake Norman golf club is closed for cleanup and sanitation after a reported outbreak of coronavirus. The president of the Peninsula Club sent a letter to members letting them know about several additional confirmed positive COVID-19 cases. That letter says that those members have been to the pool, tennis, golf areas, and to the restaurants within the club. And the club called a meeting with the staff to let them know about the possibility of exposure. And the letter says, quote, unfortunately, more than half of the staff walked away deciding not to work for the next few days. These employees were uncomfortable with the situation.
I was really just upset reading, unfortunately. Why is that unfortunate? I think that's great that they're able to say, I really don't feel comfortable.
Certainly a very understanding perspective there. We have reached out to the club. We're asking for more information about how many of the members reported symptoms, and we're still waiting to hear back. And a possible reason for this spike in new cases could be that more people are out and about. Take a look at this chart. It's from Mecklenburg County, and it shows a steady decline in people staying at home, and that began midway through the stay-at-home order. The health director thinks that if this trend continues, we shouldn't expect the state to move to phase 3. That's supposed to happen in less than 2 weeks.
This morning, we're keeping tabs on the number of positive cases in South Carolina as well. On Sunday, the state reported 799 new cases. More than 13% of tests came back positive, and hospitalizations stayed about the same, with 521 people being treated. New this morning, thousands of cruise ship workers are still stuck at sea because of coronavirus concerns. The Miami Herald reports that more than 42,000 workers from countries all over the world are stuck on those ships and not getting paid. And for many, it's been a long 3 months. Imagine that. Many cruise lines have been working to repatriate those workers, even using their own ships to get them back to their home countries. The CDC has prohibited cruises in U.S. waters through July 24th.